Once upon a time, in a cozy little corner of a bustling city, there lived a cute little rat named Whiskers. Whiskers was not like any other rat. He was special because he had the most adorable pair of pink ears and the fluffiest tail you could ever imagine. But what truly set Whiskers apart was his boundless curiosity and adventurous spirit. Whiskers lived in a small burrow beneath a charming old bakery run by Mrs. Pufftail, a kind-hearted old mouse with a penchant for baking the most delicious pastries in town. Whiskers loved living near the bakery, not only because of the delicious smells that wafted through the air every day, but also because he had made friends with Mrs. Pufftail's grandchildren, Lily and Oliver. One sunny morning, as Whiskers was nibbling on a leftover crumb of Mrs. Pufftail's famous cheese strudel, Lily and Oliver came bounding into the bakery, their eyes sparkling with excitement. "Whiskers, we're going on an adventure to the Enchanted Forest. Do you want to come with us?" Lily exclaimed, her long whiskers twitching with anticipation. Whiskers' eyes widened with excitement. An adventure to the Enchanted Forest sounded like the most thrilling thing he could ever imagine. Without a moment's hesitation, he nodded his head vigorously and joined Lily and Oliver on their grand adventure. As they ventured deeper into the forest, Whiskers couldn't help but marvel at the beauty that surrounded them. Sunlight streamed through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Birds chirped merrily, and butterflies flitted from flower to flower. It was a magical place indeed. But soon, their joyous adventure took an unexpected turn when they stumbled upon a clearing where a group of forest animals was gathered around a weeping bunny named Flopsy. Flopsy explained that her favorite carrot patch had been destroyed by a group of mischievous squirrels, and she didn't know how she would ever grow carrots again. Whiskers' heart went out to Flopsy, and he knew he had to help her. With Lily and Oliver by his side, Whiskers hatched a plan to replant Flopsy's carrot patch, using seeds they found scattered around the forest. Working together, they dug holes, planted seeds, and watered the soil until the carrot patch looked even better than before. As they admired their handiwork, a gentle voice spoke from behind them. It was the wise old owl who lived in the tallest tree in the forest. "Young one,